big has always been our motto.
And now you can live big in a small SUV with the new Chevy Trailblazer.
Space and style go hand in hand with this SUV, and it fits our active lifestyle perfectly.
Visit your local New England Chevy dealer today and test drive one yourself.
Hi, I'm Mary Dumont.
And I'm Pat McCauley, and we are here at Plant Pub. We are a plant-based pub food concept, so we recreate traditional pub fare, but we do it 100% plant-based.
We're not trying to be a health food concept. We're just trying to make it approachable and understandable to everybody out there.
We love the idea of bringing a beer hall or bar vibe. Plant Pub kind of brings that to Boston, that social experience around a 100% plant-based menu.
Boston's also our hometown, so we really love that we can bring this concept here to where we grew up and loved.
Chef Mary is a total legend. Iron Chef, Top Chef. She is able to take these burgers and pizzas and nachos and traditional bar comfort foods, in my opinion, better than their counterparts, something I've never experienced before until Plant Pub.
Pat is really incredible with the beer program, runs all of our social media and marketing, really is a driving force behind the concept, and it's been just a real pleasure to work with him.
That was nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Our beers are very craft focused, primarily in the Northeast and in New England. We're unique in that we are 100% vegan, but then we also support a number of non-alcoholic brands, kind of the newer, trendier brands. You have a lot of low alcoholic options, and then it goes all the way up to your double IPAs, and then to our wines. Our partner's winery, Courchevel, which was one of the first vegan, organic, biodynamic wineries in the world, and has won countless awards. I think we have a little bit something for everybody, whether you drink or you don't drink.
We have a wide selection of pizzas, and our recipe is 100% organic flour. And so the one that we did today was buffalo pizza. It has ranch dressing and buffalo sauce and this really great plant-based cheese on it. Unctuous and gooey and delicious, and we also have a gluten-free crust that we offer. So for all of our burgers, we offer two options. One is Impossible, and the other is a house-made veggie burger. One of the most popular is our barbecue guac burger, and it's just designed to look and taste amazing and just be this really great experience. People just crush it. Another sandwich that we have is the banh mi. It's a fried oyster mushroom, which is a really beautiful wild mushroom. Mint and cilantro, and it has all those Thai flavors that bring it all together, and it's just a really awesome sandwich.
One of my favorite dishes is definitely the nachos. I cannot get enough of them.
That is true. And so what we put on it is house-made chili that is all 100% plant-based, paprika crema and cilantro and lime. And one of the most nostalgic treats that we offer here is soft serve. It's all oat-based, and everybody that walks out of here with a soft serve with a huge smile on their face. It's really awesome.
We're here at 675 West Kendall in Kendall Square. You can also order online via Grubhub and Uber Eats at the moment, pickup or curbside pickup as well.
We love being here in Kendall Square in Cambridge, but we're looking to expand our brand and bringing more plant-based to Boston and the surrounding areas.
We can't wait to serve you some plant-based deliciousness.